I had a little look, obviously got on Google, just had a little bit, and I see a chap that's actually, I've recognised him today, doing a little talk on one, and that you could get the spares from 1978, and I just thought, what a company to have a look at. And so I did a little bit more, got in touch with Andy, and bought a Rutland. "10-minute look on a Sunday, see the little talk he was doing. It was on someone's boat out in the Caribbean, and I thought, what a piece of kit. They've got to be so reliable, and that's what we want to do. Just do it once, do it right." Solar panels on the batteries for the pumps for these ponds. In the winter, the sun doesn't come out every day, so we need something else just to top up them. We've always got wind here, so the ideal, wind and sun, perfect combination, just to keep the batteries topped all the time, so that when we do need the air, we can just put it on whenever. And already the batteries are staying topped a lot more. That they cut in and out. What I didn't realise is, as soon as the batteries are full, the Rutland turns itself off. What a clever bit of kit.
It does that.
I didn't think it was working when it first went up, but it is. It just turns it off when the batteries are full. It's a fantastic bit.